In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Volvo S60 located at the base of your windshield. On the passenger side of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and grab the wiper and we're going to lift it up. Now, we're going to support this because we don't want this to snap down and hit the glass. Right at the back side here is going to be a little spring clip. There's one on each side. You're going to pinch the two of them and pull the wiper forward and off. Set the arm down gently on the glass. Now to start, you need to go ahead and identify which wiper blade is going to be correct for the passenger side. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and grab that. And we need to go ahead and disassemble this setup here because the wiper blades are designed to fit multiple vehicle applications. Then you want to hold on to the base of the wiper blade and you're going to go ahead and take this top half here and push it away from you. Now it can be a little tough to do. Ours popped up and out. Next thing you want to do is we're going to take this piece here. It's like a tray and it has a little U channel in it. We need to identify which way it's going to lock on. So when you insert this down, you're going to pull it towards you. So on the bottom, you want to make sure that the tabs themselves are going to be sticking out towards you so they lock into place. So set that in and pull it towards you. You can hear and feel it lock in. It's going to be flush all the way around the perimeter. This piece here that we're looking at to identify has the two little squeeze tabs in the back, just like the factory part did. On the center here, there's going to be a plastic pin that's going to line up with this little U channel here. Go ahead and line that up. Push it on and snap it into place. You can definitely hear it and feel it engage. Go ahead and take that wiper arm, feed it inside that cover and slide that in. And you're going to push it until you see and feel those little spring tabs kick out on the back side. And once that's on, go ahead and give it a tug out towards you. Make sure it's locked into place. At that point there, go ahead and slide off the protective coating or the protective material on the blade. Set it down. Passenger side is all set. You can go ahead and do the driver's side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.